Hello, hello guys. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry guys. You are welcome to today's video. What we are going to preparing today, we are preparing spinach soup. So join me as we get started. May God bless you all my returning subscriber, all my viewer. I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. When I mean the best, you are the best. All the organic fans, I love you. Now me be aka organic woman. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you guys so much. So let's get started, guys. And all my viewer, my returning subscriber, now be the best. I love you guys so much. And please share my video, share with your family, friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get it direct. So share my video, guys. Please share for your page. And also don't forget to follow me on my page, Morning Blessing Kitchen. Follow me on my page. A lot will be coming up in my page. And also, we'll also be here. We'll also be doing things by the special grace of God. God bless you all for remaining with me. So let's get started. Let me introduce all the things that I got. I have a fish. I have my fish, Melusa fish. I get Melusa fish, Titus, turkey, cow leg, dried chicken, then a little bit some beef, stockfish. Everything is in here. We have our onions, the chopped onions that I have sliced this one already, and this one I'm going to blend it behind the camera. And we have our spinach. Like if you want to know how I do this, I slice it already. As in, we buy it from supermarket, but I can't slice them again. So I slice this one already by myself, and I wash it, and I press all the water. As in, I really dry the water come on so that there will be no, I don't need water. So as you can see, then we have our muti tomatoes. You know we are muti fans. Muti tomatoes. Red oil, crayfish, margarine, and salt for taste. Let's go there. No look my pot say it's too big. Oh, they say our mama say big things, big pot, something. You know they collect food from pots. So may we start. Now we don't put the meat for pot. May we put our margarine. 1 spoon of Maggi. This one is chicken cube, chicken powder Maggi. Then we put big crayfish Maggi. Crayfish. Now mostly what I always do, mostly the part when I don't already put the ingredients. Now there I put the most the more crayfish. So we'll cover it now. Now we put water. We don't need too much water. Make the margin for enter. Then we'll cover it. So now let's turn it up and see what we got here. Osagi agbome funi mere o. Ikino fure na na megi le osale. Oh, let's see. So nice. Has a good taste. Now let's see, because I know that it's ready. Because the cow leg, I prepared it already. You see, turkey not get body to do, even beef. So if you want to know how I wash my cow leg, I prepare my cow leg and put in the freezer. You go, when you get to my channel, you saw the video there. You see the video there, excuse me. So it's ready. We are going to turn it in a bowl. Behind the camera, please. Now, we're about to put the red oil here. So stay tuned, guys. I think it's enough. Now we'll put our onions. As you can see, the onions, blend onions and pepper. Now we are going to be adding the 2 tomatoes. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, just one, because we have put for the meat already. Cover it up. Half spoon of crayfish again. The fish, I'll put it on the stew. But when I want to put the spinach, I will remove it. You see how you go, guys? You see? The cooking is going. Now, let's see how the stew is going. So now we are about to remove the fish. You really wash me, so you'll be wife material. See, because I don't want me the fish scatter, so just wash. Now we put the spinach on it. Put your ginger in. So we have to arrange it all. You see, we already mix them. Now, what you are going to do as you are cooking it, you lower the gas, okay? You lower it, you know. Now, you see the meat. Now we will put everything for inside. You understand? So that make it soak inside. So we'll get inside the stomach very well, guys. Now we are going to be pouring all the ingredients. We have stock fish. All the medes are inside. All the medes. Camero say not be easy. Thank you all so much. All my Camero friends, Liberian friends, thank you all. I love you guys so much. So, I know how we do them now. I know how we do and say, onto this soup matter. Now then they rush us for the soup issue. How you see this organic soup now? Make we leave on before we come go put the fish later. Now we go put onions. Sorry, oh guys, crayfish. You know, say I tell una say the food don't they enrage. We go add the crayfish join more. You know. So make we turn am, just lower your gas so it not go burn. If it burn, it not go get good flavor. It will not have a good taste in the mouth. So if you want to get a good taste, you have to. So we're almost ready to throw. Now we put the fish. This one original neighbor disturber, like it's so scent, it smells so good and it tastes so yummy. I love that. How you raising now? How you raising now, all my viewers, my followers? What do I think of this soup? This one is organic spinach soup. Mona get to na plates. All my paddy, I bet Mona bring plates come this side. The organic soup done ready. All my auntie, them, na siam. All my uncles them. Mona come join us. The soup is ready. You see how it looks like. It really good to start. This soup is good for the beginning of the year. To take the prepare for the year. Maybe we take work ourselves up, arrange ourselves. Thank you so much. Thank you all so much. I love you guys. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my video. Share. As you do so, God will bless you. I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. When I mean the best, you are among the best. So share my video. Share with your friends and family. Also share in your community. Promote me. Give me your support. And I love you guys. Bye-bye. I see you in my next video. Ciao. Please share my video. Share them and follow me on my page. Mommy Blessing Kitchen. So as you do so, God bless you guys.